Max was alone in the room yesterday. I did not take the money.
Please open your bag, Max.
The money was in the desk this morning. I only went back for my water bottle.
It is Monday morning. Eat your toast, please.
I am putting my shoes on now. Mom, I need the money for the school trip.
Here. I am putting it in a small envelope.
Thank you. The envelope is in my bag.
Do not lose it. Give it to your teacher.
Good morning, everyone. I am collecting the trip money.
Here is my envelope, Miss Clark.
Thank you, Max. I am writing your name down.
I am bringing my money tomorrow, Miss Clark.
That is fine, Ben. I am writing your name.
My money is coming tomorrow too, Miss Clark. Miss Clark, my water bottle is still inside. I am taking my bottle from the shelf now.
Sit down, everyone. I have a problem today. My list has 24 names on it. But I only have 22 envelopes here.
So some of the money is missing?
Yes. 2 envelopes are not in my drawer.
Max was alone in the room yesterday. I did not take the money!
Please open your bag, Max.
The money was in the desk this morning. I only went back for my water bottle.
I am calling your mother tonight, Max. Max, tell me about your day.
They all think I took the trip money. My brother is not a thief.
Did you touch the envelopes, Max?
No. I only took my water bottle.
I believe you. We are going to school tomorrow.
I am asking to see her list.
Good morning. May we see your list, please?
There are 24 names on this list. But 2 of the names have no tick.
Ben and Sarah. They both said tomorrow. So those 2 did not pay yet. Oh no. I counted the names, not the money.
Nothing is missing. The count was wrong.
I am very sorry, Max.
Please say that to his class, not to us.
Hadidi. Hadidi.
No money was missing, everyone. I made a mistake.
I am sorry, Max. I forgot my envelope yesterday. It is okay, Ben.
How do you feel now, Max?
Better. But everybody looked at me.
I know. That feeling stays for a while.
I saved the big cookie for you, Max. They believed the number, not me.
Then always check the number. Numbers can be wrong.
Thank you for staying with us today.
Bye-bye. See you next time.